Top news stories. Manipur total shutdown against mysterious death of baby Sana throws lives out of gear. AMSU demands unconditional release of 5 volunteers. And Khabaisoi residents protest violation of NFSA beneficiaries' rights. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Normal life in Manipur has thrown out of gear due to the 24-hour total shutdown call against the mysterious death of N. Baby Sana. The shutdown was near total in capital Imphal. The Joint Action Committee JAC against the mysterious death of Ningthausam Baby Sana Chanu has enforced the shutdown to protest against unsatisfactory response from the state government with regard to the death of the 13-year-old schoolgirl. The roads in Imphal wore a deserted look. Border, interstate and inter-district transport services were suspended due to the strike which began at 6 a.m. Most of the government and private offices besides educational institutes, markets and business establishments remain closed. The JAC has exempted medical emergencies, religious events and other essential services like electricity and fire services from the purview of the shutdown. The committee has sought cooperation from local clubs, students' bodies, women organizations and civil society bodies in delivering justice to the girl and her family. Ningthausam Baby Sana Chanu, a class 7 student from Thangwaiban Maishnam Likai in Imphal West, was found hanging inside the girls' hostel of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipu, Imphal West on July 18. Her family and the GSC alleged that she was murdered by the school authorities. While the police have detained some hostel staff over the death of the minor girl, the JAC has accused the state government of delaying the investigation process. Earlier in the day, protesters in Khuyathong and Thangmaiban areas came out in large number and blocked roads during the shutdown. Ban supporters forced vendors in the Khwaramban market to close their shops. Later, a public meeting was held at Thangmaiban Athletic Ground, wherein the protesters decided to take up further intense agitation to get justice. Meanwhile, police have taken up all necessary measures to prevent any untoward incident during the strike. All Manipur Students' Union has pledged to continue protest until the government uncovers the truth behind the mysterious death of Ningthausam Baby Sana. President of AMSU Head Office, Peter Lystrom, urged the government of Manipur to release the 5 members of AMSU who were detained by the police from Kakching today, while supporting the 24 statewide burn called by the JAC against the mysterious killing of Ningthausam Baby Sana. Speaking to media, Peter demanded the government to arrest the school principal Landoni, coordinator Robira, administrator Ibomcha, head warden Lenin and warden JC within 24 hours to bring out the truth behind the mysterious death of Baby Sana.
Boarding boarding the labor Mahirosing, parents, guardians, Lapiduna, Ahoyi, Haiba, Emsuga, boarding of the Komacha Lagani. Mahirosing labor, the face story, Aduga Afava, Fazana, Nintina labor, academic atmosphere, Dumba labor, Lay Halaga, labor, boarding a mohen with a Karikari Togang, Lominagani, Habagi, Adugumba, parents in Duga, Kanana Nagani, Ashida, Haiba, parents in the Su, guardians in the Su, Lapida Matamzana, Lapiduna, Ahoyi, Emsuga. Wakalon Hadi Emsuga Mifamasdal Yominasi, Loinana Karigumba, Seda Yaudaba, parents in the Kamela Agadi, Emsuna entertain Tozaroi.
An altercation broke out at Khabaisoi today over alleged violation of right of a ration card owner by the concerned authority. Following the incident, a ban on distribution of rice under National Food Security Act has been imposed by the irate locals. In this regard, a ration card holder's name, Samina, told reporters that a meeting was held at the residence of a local agent of Ward number 3/5 today, during which the agent said that 6 months pending rice will be distributed to the beneficiaries from the rightful share of every card owner in the locality as per directive of the local MLA.
Hanagi chakthung sidagi double kakpataradi akhoi cheng lau bangam jaroi cheng lau roi haibi matamda ejen haisina MLA da cheng hangat kini MLA na ka oina ka imi man haibi matungina taurimi sini cheng si MLA de hangat kini aduga cheng du MLA de laurso sine ba haisina ejen na ado khoi na cheng si hangat kera hangat loi khoi de hana ka iba masing sidagi hena double kakpataradi cheng lau jaroi na parja mayam sini i hau hauriba ngasi si moina maita laure cheng en gani laurbi lau haire aduga cheng lau bane chapad smain harak padagi parja sing chen lau
Kaching district also supported the 24-hour burn statewide call by the JC against the mysterious death of Ningthausam Babisana Chanu. Shops down stutter at Kaching, Wabagai and Palel markets. Vehicles were off the road and all educational institutes remained closed. The 24-hour statewide shutdown call given by the JC against the mysterious death of Ningthausam Babisana Chanu disrupted normal life in Jiribam district. Roads in the district bordering Assam wore a deserted look. All commercial establishments remained closed due to the strike. However, educational institutions remain open as well amid the shutdown. The news story, the Naga Framework Agreement signed between the Government of India and NACN IM continues to trigger tension and conflicts in the state, and that Manipur has had witnessed different forms of mass protests as a result, which was aired by Tom TV at 3 p.m. News today was released by one CC Mangang and not Korkom as mentioned in the story. Well, let's take a quick break, but do stay tuned. Free sapling planted to herb crops, deforestation.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. Note iski oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course, Manipur da hangle. Mapalam da chatrabasu hayeng mag college sa lakpituna admission to bihoro akak na basikni.
Manipur University, the affiliate Tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management, Langzing Achoba Imphal West ki admission Tauzari, course sing adudi, BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, Nupa amasung Nupi ki hostel ki khudong chaba leijari, akaknaba sit kharatani, akupa marol gidamag www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Welcome back. Maira Paibis under Nongpok Ningthau Youth Association NNYA Top Chingtha and Association planted sapling under the supervision of Forest and Environment Minister D.H. Syamkumar today. Secretary of NNYA Indrajit said the tree plantation program was conducted in view of the issue of deforestation and ecological imbalance. He further said the trees will help in maintaining climatic conditions and at the same time they will also give fruits to the future generations.
Minister Syamkumar Promotional Youth Association Naya Amadi Jaga Sigi Mera Paibijing Loinana Sa Tabri Mangum the Sanction Jaga Pamtok.
The Additional Commissioner of Income Tax Range, Imphal, organized a function to observe Income Tax Day at Income Tax Complex Lamfelpat. An awareness program and also a tree plantation program were organized to mark the day. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax Office, Imphal Circle, Moirangthem Joychandra stated that the Income Tax Department has completed 159 years of its existence. He added that a felicitation program for the staffs along with a seminar on income tax will be held at ICM Complex and MU Complex tomorrow as part of the observance of Income Tax Day. A discussion program to eradicate pulse polio was held at Moreh Hospital today. In charge of World Health Organization, Manipur, Dr. Parnoy Kumar Datta, Subdivisional Officer of Moreh, L. Dineshwar, and Medical Officer in charge of Primary Health Center, Moreh, Dr. K. Santikumar attended the program, where staff nurses and office bearer of Moreh Primary Health Center were also present. In charge of WHO Manipur, Dr. Parnoy Kumar Datta urged each and every one to join hands in eradicating the disease from the entire country. Moreh Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under IGAR South in continuation of its efforts in developing the skills of youth of Moreh in job securing courses organized a rock band show to boost the morale and motivation of youth on the theme All Work and No Play Makes Training Monotonous. Students of Multi-Skill Development Center also participated in the musical show. The jazz band of Moreh Battalion and the students presented English, Manipuri and Hindi songs. A total of 110 students, including staff members, witnessed the show. A press meet was held today at Kwakta Sevla Mina Bazar in connection with inconveniences faced by job card holders in the area. Talking to reporters from members of Kwakta Gram Panchayat No. 1, Muhammad Alias Khan urged the Jila Parishad that and Pradhan members to not deny rights of the residents. On the other hand, President of Minority Backward Area Development Organization, Muhammad Kamaruddin, told reporters that no one has ever got the gas connection subsidy amount under the Ujjwala scheme so far in the area. Kangla Laithong Hangba, an age-old annual ritual held on 22nd day of Inged month of Manipuri lunar calendar was performed at Kangla by Uttara Sanglen Sanakono. One priest of Kangla, Salam Birendra, said that the offerings of done at Kangla Pat to drain away all sins of a year to Loktak Lake. He further said that the ritual will cleanse the king from all the lethargic and negative energies.
Kangla Laithong Patpam Lere, Arimathan Kangla Ukron Home Lere. Adiki horen ahing da tawdusna akoi ki kano se pakhang mi kol changban ase pakhang basna lam na koi na chaluraga laga se thungaba ada thungaba tanja se akoi mayam si ma bu ngai dana akoi ahing nongai chabu pung baro tar ko sidagi akoi thoram ji hawrani adu ma laga akoi thongni je hawrani sumai tawduna ma si dana akoi lejari aduna akoi sigi lebak si ing ba tappa kai do mara chet paning tho punsi ba kai do mayam ma tawbiu haina akoi thongni jarani Adeda Maduda Koi Tingles Hobodo Maduda Koi Ibudo Pakang was in a pen viraga, and my Todra Koi Lebaxi, Yamna Koi sound in Labor Haitare, and my only them with Tony Javani.
A one-day free hut camp was held yesterday at the Health Center, Manipur University, Kanchipur. The event was organized by Manipur Hut Foundation, MHF, in collaboration with Sky Hospital Research Center Private Limited and Manipur University. A number of people suffering from different heart ailments benefited the camp. Talking to media, President of Manipur Heart Foundation, Dr. L. Sam Kishore, said the foundation will continue providing such free services to the masses across the state. Let's take another short break, but coming up, help pour in for Assam flood victims.
BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital laijaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak laiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singgi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akopa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 600-90-62261 Natraga 87-940-26277.
Yenkom Hexagon Private Limited. We are hiring production manager, project supervisor, sales associates, customer relationship manager, HR executive, civil engineer, wallpaper installer, inventory data entry associate, carpenter, driver, housekeeper. Experienced candidates only. Candidates who feel they are suitable for the position, please send your CV to our email astrotonjam12@gmail.com and state in the subject area the position you are applying for. Yenkom Hexagon Private Limited, RK Birla Shopping Complex, Singjamai Bazaar opposite Axis Bank ATM, Imphal West. Contact number 9077613060, 7005143650 or 8837025787.
Welcome back. As per the latest reports, the floods have claimed 69 lives in the northeast Indian state of Assam. One more person has died in the last 24 hours in the state. 28,01,329 are still affected by the floods. Meanwhile, Pratima Bhaumik, the Lok Sabha MP from Tripura West Parliamentary Constituency, donated rupees 1 lakh from her first month's salary for Assam flood relief. She handed over the amount to an Assam government official in New Delhi yesterday. Several politicians, celebrities, and NGOs have also come forward to stand by with Assam at this time of crisis and have donated for the welfare of Assam flood victims. Different NGOs and organizations have also donated relief materials including food, water, clothes to the flood victims. In one of the worst floods, at least 69 people have died in Assam. The floods also claimed the lives of 187 animals in Kaziranga National Park, KNP, including 1 horned rhinos, 1 elephant and other 100 dog deers. Nungba Area Joint Action Committee, Najak, Nungba Subdivision Headquarters today lauded the Manipur government for making the Nungba Higher Secondary School functional since last year. The committee also thanked every voluntary lecturer for their selfless services towards the school. The committee said this through a press release. The committee, however, asked the state government to send the required number of teachers to the school within 1 week, while warning that protests will be taken off if the concerned authority fails to fulfill the demand. In the effort to help ease farmer Wu Lystrom Doman, a social worker with his own pocket money has taken up dragging work at Tamenkong under Thobal District, Wangkhem and Thobal constituency entirely depends on this water body for cultivation purposes. Doman said the step has been taken up to relieve farmers from water shortage. Former Pradhan of Wangkhem Gram Panchayat expressed gratitude to the social worker for his generosity. A day after the Congress coalition government in Karnataka crashed in a trust vote, a BJP leader threat in Congress rule Madhya Pradesh caused a flutter. The Congress has accused the BJP of meticulously plotting the takeover of states where it is not in power by using all the means at its disposal. The Congress Janata Dal secular government, hobbling since it took power in Karnataka in May last year, failed a trust vote after multiple resignations over the past 2 weeks. The two parties have accused the BJP of engineering the resignation as part of its strategy. Congress has also accused the BJP of prepping CAPs to take over every part of India after its national election victory in May. The Supreme Court today sought a response from the center and 5 states on a plea for a Central Bureau of Investigation probe into rampant illegal beach and river sand mining causing severe ecological imbalance, disturbance in water tables and degradation of land. A bench led by Justice S.A. Bobde issued notice to the center, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh on the alarming extent of illegal sand mining activities. The petition claimed that Maharashtra has 1,39,706 illegal mining cases between 2003 and 2017, whereas Madhya Pradesh saw a total of 42,152 cases registered from 2009 to 2015. In Punjab, 92 FIRs was filed every month for illegal sand mining. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, death of Vivishana, MSU leads protests, sit-ins held at different parts, reply for TH Shyamkumar, High Court disposes writ petitions, government to build 1,000 Anganwadi centers, Joy Kishan questions silence of government, The People's Chronicle, State Academy of Training DG Tipamay arrested on grab charge, no progress in MDS scandal probe, Rizizu urged to conduct NSU post-interview in state, JSC calls statewide ban today. Minister apologizes. Assam alleges government apathy. Warns national highway ban from July 28. Imphal Free Press. High Court drops Shyamkumar disqualification case, citing jurisdiction issue. However, slams Assembly speakers in action. Justice observes continuation of Shyamkumar as minister is illegal. Director General of SAT Tipamay arrested on charges of fund misappropriation. JSC calls 24-hour ban against state government. Tangwayban locals, students block roads in protest. Manipur Human Rights Commission stands for delivering rights of every individual. The Morning Bell. Achum warns of ban on national highways from midnight of July 28. State lagging behind in development due to past misgovernance, says Chief Minister. Supreme Court extends Assam NRC deadline to August 31. IAS officer Tipamay arrested, remanded to police custody.
After the news, we are giving live telecast on Baby Sana incidents at Tangwayban. Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Manipur total shutdown against mysterious death of Baby Sana throws life out of gear. AMSU demands unconditional release of 5 volunteers. And Khabaisoi residents protest violation of NFSA beneficiaries' rights. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.